Discover the astonishing power of a compound extracted from an unexpected source, the juice of a humble yet remarkable fruit. Brace yourselves for an eye-opening journey into the world of enhanced erections, where science meets nature in the most surprising of ways. Picture this: two Japanese researchers stumble upon a substance in the juice of the iconic watermelon. Little did they know that this discovery would send shockwaves through the medical community. Dubbed as citrin, this compound holds the key to unlocking potent erections, much to the amazement of doctors worldwide. But how does it work, you may wonder? Well, it all boils down to nitric oxide, the secret sauce for a robust erection. And guess what? Citrin plays a pivotal role in its production, ensuring that blood flows freely where it matters most. Now, before you brush it off as mere scientific jargon, let me assure you it's the real deal. Clinical trials have spoken, affirming citrin's efficacy in boosting erections, even in the face of severe dysfunction. But here's the kicker: citrin isn't just another one-trick pony. It's a versatile powerhouse with potential beyond the bedroom. From aiding top athletes in achieving peak performance to complementing traditional ED drugs like Viagra, its benefits are truly multifaceted. Now, I know what you're thinking: is it better than Viagra? While the debate rages on, one thing's for sure: citrin offers a compelling alternative for those seeking natural solutions or looking to amplify the effects of existing medications. But wait, there's more. For those intrigued by cutting-edge treatments, delve into the world of sound wave therapy for erections. And if you're a staunch supporter of the classics, dive deep into the age-old debate of Viagra versus Chalice in another captivating video. So, whether you're seeking enlightenment or simply curious about the latest breakthroughs, hit that subscribe button. Because the world of enhanced erections is anything but boring. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious.